In the last two Bixby Tech tutorials of the week, I've talked about using dialog macros. Both were reusable chunks of text, and in last week, to reuse SSML. You can also use macros anywhere you use text on the Bixby UI. Let me show you that in action. Let's jump over to our capsule and run it.
Enter your name.
Roger.
Hello there, Roger.
Okay, what I want you to look at is this date entered, October 21st, 2020. That line. Let's go see how we generated that. All right, I'm going to jump over to the Bixby Studio and open this output view. And I want to go down to render. So now I'm rendering a Bixby UI. And look at this text right here. Date entered colon. I'm calling a macro. So I'm calling a macro within my UI. So not just for dialogues, anywhere I'm showing text. Little note here, the date entered. If this capsule was properly localized, it would not be in here. But we'll skip that for now. All right, now let's go take a look at that print date macro. All right, it's not a template macro, so I put it in a straight macro file. I call it text macro.bixby. And here you can see it, print date. And a little tip within a tip. This is how you can have Bixby print today's date by doing date time now, and then this formats it. Indeed, below here is if you just wanted to print it for a year. So you can use macros anywhere you use text in the Bixby UI. And that is your Bixby Tech tutorial of the week.